Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game and not edit it. As always, I'll try to do my best to explain what I'm thinking. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started here, and hopefully figure out a way to get this done. I'd like to start out with the columns first. There is one move here. Obviously, want to get this king moved, but nothing yet. We're going to move this 9, of course. There's another king to move. I don't know which king is going to be more valuable. Probably this king, but we'll see. Maybe we can open a column, move both. We'll see. Big mistake a lot of people make is to play this card right away. This should be saved for the very end. We'd like to play out of the back of the draw pile, not the front of the draw pile. We just want to maximize the number of looks we get. Sometimes it's good to play this, but most of the time I would say not, because we go through this okay, but what happens is we bottleneck ourselves later on. Okay, we got a few moves there. That's good, I guess. But then what we do is, sometimes we could get jammed in. Though in this case, I think we're good. We're gonna go with that and then break from my tendencies, because we can play this jack. This jack will be our insurance card. So, but typically you don't want to do that right away. We like to move this king as well. Yeah, I'm gonna deviate and play that way for today. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, long term that can, you get in a habit of doing that, you can get in trouble. That's all I'm saying. I had a lot of games, was not able to solve it because of that. Right now our goal is going to be to open up these columns and just see how they go. Okay, 3 of diamonds. This may be one of those games. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is shaping up to be one of those games where I think there's like 10 to 15% of the games where they're pretty easily solved, and then if you want to get up to like 50 or 60%, you got to be able to solve the hard ones. Hopefully there's something challenging here I can show you a trick or two, because that's kind of my goal. So we move this 3 of clubs down and then move it back up. And we're trying to play out of the back of the draw pile right now, and we're going to come back to the front. We just want to get rid of as many of these cards as possible here. This will be our insurance card again. And we're going to have to try to figure out a way to move that king as well. So we'll move the 5. Here's the 8. We'll move the 6 there. And again, we still need to open up a column for the king. If we can do that, we've got it. If not, we might not be. There is a move here, I see. I don't know if you see it right now. So you may want to hit pause. Or you may already notice it and say, why didn't you do this, Gary? And the reason is I didn't see it. There's a 5 of spades right here. And we'd like to open up this 4 column. You can take cards down from the foundation pile. So we're going to take this down. We're going to move the 4 under it. That's the move. And that's really good, because now the 6 is right here. We can move the 5 over. And that'll allow us to play that king we were worried about early on. And that was a huge move, actually. We can move this 10, and now we can choose between the 9s. We're going to try the 9 of diamonds first. Nothing there. Let's try this 9. Okay, that's good. 2 hearts can go up. 3 of hearts can go up. I believe that's a red king. I think we want a black king, but there may be... The black king is probably under one of these columns here. So, oh no, it's right there. That's better yet. Typically speaking, you want to play the king that's in the front of the draw pile, but in this case, we want to play the one in the back, because we want to open up this column. We need to open up this column. So queen's going right there, and that's a 10. If you'll notice, there's 2 red 10s. In the front, we have a black jack. We're going to play one of those 10s over here, and hopefully they'll make the right decision. We can play this club up, and the 5 of clubs there. And I'm going to play some more cards, the low cards up, just to see what we're working with here. 6 of clubs up, 4 hearts, let's see, spades. Go back to diamonds there, going to clubs. And trying to see if there's another move here. I think that may be it for now. Again, we want to open up these last columns and finish this game off here. See nothing there. Okay, so now we're doing the insurance move, and now we got to pay attention to the earlier part. May not necessarily want to play all three of these cards right away. We're going to see what sequence we have here. So this 9 of spades is going to drop if we only play one. We're only going to play this jack of spades right now. We're not going to play the 10. The reason we're doing that is we'd like to get this 9 of spades down. So let's see which one of these two 10s is a good play. That one gives us a 6 of spades, so that's not bad. This one gives us a queen. That's also not bad. I think I'm going to play the queen, because then we can open up this jack column right here. And more importantly, we can move this queen under the king. And yeah, that's a real good move there. So that gives us a 6 of spades. So that was the better move of the two. Now we can bring the king down. And I believe there's the jack right there. 8 of diamonds. And we're going to go through again here. This was that 9 of spades we dropped. And fortunately we did that. Now we can play all three of these cards. We're going to play the 9 of spades, 10 of spades. This 9 of diamonds can go here. And we can move the 5 of hearts here. And we pretty much have solved this. Yeah, we pretty much solved it right there. So it's pretty cool. That's one of the games that's a little bit easier. I think that's in like the 10 to 15% range of toughness games. So I apologize that I didn't have the best game there for you. But yeah, sometimes you get the tricks. Hopefully that last trick at the end was able to help a little bit. You know, that sometimes if you miss that trick, you can't even solve those games. So anyway, thank you for watching, and good luck.